In Malaysia, there are two species of elephants which was isolated 1,000 years ago by the South China Sea. We have the Asian elephant, which is living in Malaysia Peninsula. On the other hand, we have the smallest elephant species, which is subspecies of Asian elephant, also known as Borneo pygmy elephant, which is distributed at the Borneo Island. Captive Asian elephant can be seen in Zoo Negara in Kuala Lumpur. On the other hand, the pygmy elephant can be seen in Lok Kawi Wildlife Park. Lok Kawi Wildlife Park functions differently from the normal zoo, whereas it keeps animal or protect animal which cannot be released back in the wild or survive in the wild by its own. After rehabilitation, maybe due to some injuries. In the early establishment of the Lok Kawi Wildlife Park, the male, female, or mother and their calves share the same compound. But later on, since the numbers of elephants increased so much, so they separated the male and the female and the calves into different compounds. The Borneo pygmy elephant size is really small compared to the Asian elephant. As we can see, these two comparison photo from 2013 when Ilhan was still small.
Gading ni panjang juga ya?
Ya, gading juga selalu diburu untuk digunakan sebagai obat-obat tradisional. So, seperti mana kita tengok, kalau gadingnya dipotong, pendarahan akan berlaku pada gajah tersebut, dan sekiranya berlaku banyak pendarahan boleh mengakibatkan kematian kepada kita punya gajah. So, kami bagi makan carrot ini sebagai snacknya sahaja.
Oh, snack.
Ya. Di sini kami ada 16 ekor, termasuk 3 baru lahir.
A year later, when I visit the Lok Kawi Wildlife Park again, now we can see the female compound, which the calf also lives with its mother in the same compound. At this visit, we were lucky because the elephant keeper allowed us to feed the Borneo pygmy elephants.
Kalau ini nama dia kami panggil si
The gestation of female Borneo pygmy elephant is very long. It is almost 2 years, which is 22 months. The baby Borneo pygmy elephant size is so small that it can enter the kitchen door. As you can see, there was a recent case where there was a baby elephant that enters someone's kitchen to search for food. At Lok Kawi Wildlife Park, they also have the smallest of the continental tiger, which is the Malayan tiger. However, Malayan tiger is not endemic to Borneo Island. This Malayan tiger was brought from Peninsula Malaysia. So in Borneo Island, they don't have tiger, but the biggest cat in Borneo Island is the Borneo Sunda clouded leopard that can also be seen at the Lok Kawi Wildlife Park.